no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit. That's so funny.
Yeah? Oh, you love it? Miss, is this your coffee?